To open the hood, there is a small latch right under your dash. Just pull it forward and it will pop the hood. Just in front here in the middle, there's a small tab. You put your finger in and pull it to the right, and you'll be able to lift the hood up. Check your transmission fluid. The engine needs to be idling in park, and it needs to be warm. So let it run for a little while so the engine is warmed up and the transmission is warm. Then right down here, there's a small cap. Unscrew the cap and it'll pop up. And inside this cap, you'll find your transmission dipstick tube, or dipstick, and it'll show the cross hatches. Be sure to wipe the cross hatches clean with a paper towel or clean rag, and it should be dry as much as you can. Stick the dipstick back in, close the lid, and take the lid back out, and you'll see the level should be between those two markings, or in those cross hatches when the transmission is warm. If it is at the bottom of those marks, it should take about 1 quart to fill back to the top. And you can pour that directly into the same spot that the dipstick comes out from. When you're done, put it back in and make sure that the cap is screwed down tight and locked in.